Today we are going to take a look at some of the most amazing usable tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. 8th tool. Diamabrush. Imagine a system that can turn this old dirty scratched floor into a beautiful like new finish just through everyday cleaning. Imagine if you can indefinitely see the reflection of your merchandise in your polished concrete. Imagine if you can cut down on dust, causing less slip and fall accidents. That time is now. What Diamabrush does at a polishing system through an innovative series of diamond abrasive tools, do-it-yourselfers and professionals can polish concrete. Terrazzo floors using standard cleaning equipment such as automatic scrubbers or floor buffers. Diamabrush is a patented design, and it eliminates the need for large, expensive heavy-duty equipment. It's a simple, maintainable and sustainable system that is a fraction of the price of traditional polishing methods. 7th tool. Flexcut palm and knife. Introducing the Flexcut palm and knife woodworking tool. One of the highest quality wood carving knives in the market, is perfect for power carving, whether you're a professional or hobbyist. Flexcut comes with a set of 5 3mm micro tools, ideal for miniature and fine detail sculpturing and woodwork. Its razor-sharp high-carbon steel blades are ready to use right out of the package. Its high-quality blades are enough to cut down, chisel and carve almost any kind of wooden structure you find. 6th tool. Wera Bicycle Set 3. The Wera Bicycle Set 3 is a socket spanner set with 36 screwdriver pieces for bicycle applications and even mobile use. Whenever your bicycle has a problem or its brakes suddenly stop working, you can use the Wera Unicet spanner set and quickly fix things up on the go. It has a practical range for self-carrying out assembly work and repairs. On top of that, tools are the most common screw profiles on road bikes, mountain bikes, and e-bikes. It also comes with a robust, surface-friendly compact textile bag that's also very lightweight, making it easier to carry around. Thanks to high-quality, compact packaging and flexibility, the Wera Bicycle Set makes your life easier with all the useful tools it comes with. 5th tool. WORX BladeRunner 2. The WORX BladeRunner 2 is a portable tabletop saw that allows for unlimited capacity, including cross and rip cuts. It has a lightweight and compact design that makes it extremely convenient to carry anywhere you go, and even sets up in seconds to easily cut wood, plastic, metal, aluminum, and tile. It has an adjustable miter gauge for 0 to 60 angled cuts, right or left. Its rubber feet also help eliminate sliding, and the wire stops it comes with can catch the edge of makeshift plywood on Sawhorse's workbench. Choose BladeRunner 2. You won't ever regret it. 4th tool. Milescraft CenterFinder. The Milescraft CenterFinder makes it much easier to mark center lines on boards that are up to 2.5 inches thick. That's because CenterFinder does the job for you. It straddles your board to mark a perfectly centered line along the face or the board's edges. Insert the pencil into the center hole, rotate the tool so the guidipists also contact the material, and then proceed to draw your line or scribe on the board. You can also mark offsets by using the CenterFinder on one of the flat sides and choosing the offset of your liking. You can even use the pencil in the offset notches to mark or draw your line, with the offsets ranging from 1/16 to 5/8 in 10 1/16 inch increments. Its notches also allow you to scribe off center lines, and the rare earth magnet it comes with makes for easy storage on any metal surface. Third tool. WORX Multi-Use Garden Tool. This tool has 5 tools in one. A hoe and slice where you can use the sharp steel blade to dig furrows, break up the soil, remove weeds and also slice unwanted plants at the roots. It has a rake and smooth function, where you use the fork rake to clean gravel areas, smooth stones, and disperse mulch. It allows you to create flat, leveled surfaces with ease. The scrape and cut function involves using the steel blade at a new angle to scrape along tough surfaces, such as concrete and stone, where unwanted weeds grow. The edge and chop tool involves using sharp edges to cut and clean around pathways, planting, and vegetable beds. And finally, the aerate and loosen tool uses the fork's teeth at a straight angle to aerate lawns and plant beds to promote healthy soil. Get rid of weeds and promote healthy growth in your lawn. This WORX Multi-Use Garden Tool. Second tool. Festool Eccentric Edge Grinder. Festool's hybrid cordless edge grinder gives you the option of choosing between a corded and cordless operation. With a 30-minute recharge for 18-volt Bluetooth battery, it will charge so fast that you'd never know when the battery died down. It also features a jetstream dust extraction for cleaner surfaces and works environment, so after you finish sanding or polishing a piece of wood, you don't have to break your back collecting the pieces. Its protector guard protects the bat and abutting surfaces from damage, and the Bluetooth connection allows the dust extractor to begin automatically when the cordless tool is switched on. First tool. Bosch Bare-Tool. The Bosch Bare-Tool is the best-in-class compact-size tool, up to 60% lighter than deep-cut saws, and up to 40% more compact. It has an integrated LED work light that illuminates the cut line in dark areas, while also featuring a 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch cutting capacity that makes it stronger and more precise than any other bandsaw out there. If you need to do some overhead cutting for a roof or cut some pipes in tight spaces, the Bosch Bare-Tool makes your life much more comfortable. The flexible power system allows you to choose from a fat pack or slim pack battery. With a rugged aluminum base, the BSH 180 can withstand tough job site conditions. Battery and charger are sold separately. We hope you like these fantastic tools. Do thumbs up the video and subscribe to the Top 5s HD so you can watch such informative videos regularly.